Okay, so this is our buy holy moly coin function. Since we have defined buy holy moly coin, we also need to define sell holy moly coin function. Let's define it. I'll copy this buy holy moly coin function and paste. Change the name to sell holy moly coin. Argument is holy moly coin, okay, as we will take input of holy moly coin from the user. And then we do not need this can buy holy moly coin modifier since it has no use in selling coins. But here we need another condition to be fulfilled before the user sells his holy moly coin. And that is the amount of holy moly coin he entered to sell. That amount must be less than or equal to his equity amount, as he should not be able to sell more than what he has. For this we will use require statement. Require condition will be equity holy moly of message the sender must be greater than equal to holy moly coin sold amount. If the condition is not satisfied, I will provide error message you do not have enough coin to sell. Then if the statement is satisfied, we need to define the sell function. We need to decrement his equity amount of holy moly coin sold amount and also decrement the total holy moly coin bought amount by holy moly coin sold amount. Alright, so our buy and sell functions both are ready. Now we need a final function to check how much equity a user has so that a user can check their equity amount. So let's create it. Function check equity. We do not need any inputs here. Then visibility public and make this function as view since we will only be viewing, no modification in the function. It will return the equity amount, so u in type. Now inside function return equity holy moly of message the sender, which will return the equity amount of the user based on the address. Alright, so our smart contract for ICO issuing is completed. We have defined 4 functions here: get remaining holy moly coin, buy holy moly coin, sell holy moly coin, and check equity. Now it's time to compile and deploy our smart contract and see if it is working or not. Remix ID provides all the features, so first let's compile our smart contract holymolycoin.sol. Alright, all fine, no error or issue. Now let's deploy. Before deploying, I will tell you something. Here we are using environment as Remix virtual machine. Then here in accounts you can see Remix provide all these accounts with 100 ethers each. Then we don't need to understand our thing. Click on deploy. Okay, so our smart contract is deployed. You can see on the deployed contract. Here there are 4 functions that we have defined in our contract. Let's test these functions to check if they are working or not. First let's see the remaining holy moly coin. Click on get remaining holy moly coin function. It returns 1 million holy moly coin, which is correct. Initially we have 1 million holy moly coin. Now using this address, if you see equity, yeah, it is 0. Okay, cool. So let's buy some holy moly coin using this same address. Here I will input 100. Then click on buy holy moly coin. Okay, success, we have bought 100 holy moly coin. If we check equity, it must be 100, which is correct. Also, if you see remaining holy moly coin, it must have been decremented by 100. Yes, it is. So these are working. Let's buy some more coins using other accounts. I will buy 1000 coins. Okay, cool. If I check equity, yes, it is 1000. Now let's try to sell holy moly coin. Suppose I want to sell 500 coin. I will input 500 here and click on sell holy moly coin function. Since I have 1000, it does not give any error. Okay, if I check equity, yes, it is 500 now. Now if I try to sell 600 coins, let's see what it says. Yes, we got the error with message you do not have enough coin to sell. Okay, so our sell coin function is working all fine. Now what happens if I try to buy holy moly coin more than the available? First let's see available. Okay, so these much coins are available. Now I will input 1 million and click on buy. Then I got the error with message sorry, not enough holy moly coin left. So buy and sell functions are working well. So we have successfully implemented our smart contract for issuing ICO of 1 million holy moly coin. You can add more functionality to the contract and implement on your own. And so with this we have completed part 3 of our course Learn Blockchain Practical. Along that we have come to an end in this course. I believe you got to learn lots of things about blockchain and related practically. And with that being said, thank you for tuning in this course. I hope you enjoyed throughout the course and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.